Okay, so again, be doing these stretches on the floor, but for demonstration purposes, I'll be doing it on the table. So the first stretch we're going to do is pretty basic, just a side lean. So if I'm going to stretch this right side over here, left hand on my left hip, right arm up, and then slowly, whilst keeping both of my butt bones on the table, leaning over and feeling that stretch through the side, through there. Holding this for about 30 seconds. You can do this 3 times a day. Same, coming back the other way through here like that. It's another good way of doing that. Similar kind of thing, same stretch. You might get more out of it doing it standing up. So here, kind of reaching through, shifting your hip a little bit to that right side, reaching through, and you can really feel that more in the lower back on this one, whereas sitting you get that more in the side core. Another great one, 30 seconds one side, 30 seconds on the other side. God, this feels great for me to even do this one. Next one we're going to do is going to be a stretch for your glutes, for the butt, for a muscle called piriformis, which is a big player in sciatica and issues when people are getting sciatic symptoms. So for this one, what you want to do is, if we're going to stretch, we're going to be stretching the buttock of the leg we're going to lift up, okay? So I'm lifting my right leg up, means I'm going to stretch my right buttock, put it like this. I'm going to put my ankle just on my thigh here, and then I'm going to lean all the way down, keeping that there, and you'll really feel that pull through the glutes through there, okay? Down through here, hamstrings and glutes is good, and just keep leaning over as much as you need to. Same thing, 30 seconds, 3 times a day. Swap it over, this leg on top, leaning down like this. A couple of other good ones for the low back. We want to put one leg over the top of the other, through here, kind of rotate through, put our arm on the inside here, just stretching through here like that, middle back and lower back. Again, you can pull yourself down through there, feel it from the shoulder to the low back, swap sides, put your leg over, twist around this way, hold that through there. Okay, another one's a pretty basic one, the spinal twist one that most people do to self-crack their low back. Might get a nice crack when you do this one, so one leg over the top, just like that, and holding it like that. And then same thing on the other side, swapping it over, just like that. And you can get that good stretch through there. A couple of extras, we can do the knee to chest. So you can do one leg just like this, or you can do both legs like this, just holding that there. Same as the middle back, we can get into a position like this and then get into a child's pose, which is kind of buttock out, and then reaching all the way forward like that, reaching down as low as we can, holding that one as well. Another good one, the cat-cow again, same as the middle back, knees like this, hands like this, arms up straight, starting with our backside facing out towards that way, big arch to our lower back, and then slowly pressing all the way up, keeping our hands and arms straight up through the shoulder blades, really arching that middle back, and then slowly coming back down, feeling the spine unstack, and then the backside out, big arch, then bring the backside in, get rid of the arch, pushing up, feel that rounding all the way up through your spine, up through there like that. Another one just on our stomachs like this, hands here, and then pressing up through our hands and holding that there. Try using your back as well. Think about using your back muscles and not only just your hands. It's going to be hard to just do that at first, so use your hands as much as you need to. Hands aren't up here, about just under our chest, pushing up, holding just like that. That's a nice stretch to hold that too. It's actually a progression into our strengthening exercises as well.